Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing 5 totally free screen recorders that honestly give paid software a run for their money. If you've ever wondered why people drop cash on expensive screen capture tools, I've tested these myself, and I'm excited to show you what they can do. Let's dive in and help you save some serious cash. 1. Icecream Screen Recorder, the user-friendly all-rounder. First up is the Icecream Screen Recorder. If you want something that's super easy to use but still packs a punch, this is a great pick. Most important features: record your entire screen, a selected area, or even just your webcam. Draw, add text, or highlight while recording. Great for tutorials. Take screenshots and annotate them. Schedule recordings in advance. Export to popular formats like MP4, WebM, and AVI. Pros: clean, intuitive interface. Perfect for beginners. Handy annotation tools while recording. Supports both video and audio capture. Works on Windows and Mac. Cons: the free version limits you to 5-minute recordings. Adds a small watermark. Some advanced features, like scheduled recording and custom watermarks, are locked behind the paid version. Free versus paid. The free version is excellent for quick tasks and basic tutorials. If you want unlimited recording time, no watermark, and extra features, the Pro version is a one-time purchase, not a subscription. But you can absolutely get by with the free version for most needs. 2. ScreenRec, the instant sharing specialist. Next is ScreenRec, which focuses on speed and simplicity. If you want to record and share in seconds, this one's for you. Most important features: one-click screen and audio recording. Instant sharing with private links, no need to upload manually. Unlimited cloud storage for your recordings. No watermarks or time limits. Works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Pros: super fast and lightweight. There are no watermarks, even in the free version. Instant sharing is perfect for quick feedback or tutorials. Free cloud storage is included. Cons: requires a free account to unlock unlimited recording. Basic editing, no advanced video tools. Needs an internet connection for cloud features. Free versus paid. ScreenRec is free for personal use, with all the core features unlocked. There's a paid business plan with analytics and team management, but for most people, the free version is more than enough. 3. ShareX, the power user's dream. ShareX is a legend in the free software world. If you love customization and want every feature imaginable, this is your new best friend. Most important features: record any region, window, or the whole screen. There are tons of capture modes, including scrolling capture, built-in editor for screenshots and basic video trimming. Automate uploads to dozens of services: YouTube, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. Supports GIF, MP4, WebM, and more. Pros: 100% free and open source, no upsells ever. No watermarks or time limits. Massive community and regular updates. Highly customizable workflows. Cons: the interface can be overwhelming at first. Video editing is pretty basic. Windows only. Free versus paid. There's no paid version. Everything is included for free. If you're a power user or want to automate your workflow, ShareX is unbeatable. 4. FBX Recorder, the gamer's choice. FBX Recorder is designed with gamers in mind, but it's also great for anyone who wants smooth, high-quality recordings. Most important features: record gameplay in HD with minimal impact on performance. Instant replay and highlight capture. Add webcam and microphone commentary. Simple editing tools for trimming and highlights. Supports hotkeys for quick controls. Pros: no watermarks in the free version. Outstanding performance, even on older PCs. Easy to use, with gamer-friendly features. Supports both video and audio capture. Cons: the free version limits you to 15-minute recordings. Some advanced editing and effects are paid only. Windows only. Free versus paid. The free version is perfect for casual gamers or anyone who needs short, high-quality clips. The Pro version removes the time limit and unlocks advanced editing, but you can do a lot without paying a cent. 5. TinyTake by Mango Apps, the quick annotator. Last but not least, TinyTake is all about quick captures and easy sharing, with a focus on annotation. Most important features: record your screen, a region, or your webcam. Annotate videos and screenshots with text, arrows, and highlights. Share instantly via cloud links. Store and manage your captures online. Works on Windows and Mac. Pros, very easy to use, great for quick tutorials or feedback. Built-in annotation tools. Instant sharing with cloud storage. Free for personal use. Cons. The free version limits you to 5-minute videos. Requires account registration. Some features, like bulk sharing and longer recordings, are paid only. Free versus paid. The free version is excellent for short, annotated videos and screenshots. If you need longer recordings or more storage, the paid plans are available. But for most users, the free tier is just fine. And that's a wrap for the 5 fantastic free screen recorders that can easily replace expensive alternatives. Whether you want something simple, powerful, or perfect for gaming, there's a free tool here for you. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Tap the video in the top right corner to learn how to download Adobe Creative Cloud Pro for free. It's a quick and easy guide you won't want to miss. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome free software recommendations. Thanks for watching.